Well, it's move day for the cows. We're going to give them another slice of paddock. So we'll start moving all the standards over. Move the cows across, give them some more feed, just make sure we've got power. Got power there, that's good. So this is where we had them. We're getting a week out of the sections we're giving them. So we're just hooking straight up to the fence with an alligator clip from the boundary hot wire onto the hot tape. And just up the hill, so that'll keep them happy for another week or so, and then we'll finish them off up in that bit there. Then we'll move them up to the top paddock. Good fun and a great day to do it. So also this morning I've moved the fence for the horses. Also moved the water trough up and shortened the hose. So now we're just going to run the fence, the hot tape fence along here. I'll move the sheep and the goat shelter, move it out further. We've got the mucking out to do very soon. Our pony's been rubbing up against the fence quite a lot, and we don't want her to stretch it, plus we don't want her to get dirty, especially when we're starting to get her ready to start doing shows and stuff. So I'm going to run a hot wire more so down this middle row here. We've brought some isolators, we've got spare wire, so we'll do that ourselves. The cows are happy, and then next weekend we'll give them the final section, and then we'll bring them up into the back paddock here. Had the slasher mower out just before. I've mowed that empty paddock, but I did have to lift up the skids because it was at its lowest point, but all the bolts were rusty, so I ended up cutting them off and just putting new bolts through and lifted the skids up, because at its lowest height it was cutting the grass too low. It was alright when we first used it in the back paddock to get rid of all the old dead grass before we started putting the cows through there. But for anything else, just for topping and stuff, we don't want to cut the grass right down. We just want it so there's still a couple of inches there. And that's what we've done in this paddock here. We haven't cut it right down to ground level. We've left quite a bit there for it to continue to grow back nicely. Just wanted to tidy that paddock up as we don't have any animals in there at this time. It's good to have this up and usable properly with adjustable skids. I've also done the front footpath grass. That was way too tall for the normal mower. I let it go a little bit too long, so I used the slasher mower. One cut, job done. Looks much better, doesn't it? Can't remember what I paid for the slasher mower. I think it might have been $200 or $300. Can't quite remember. What an awesome job it does. That grass was long. So we'll just keep it trimmed down until we know we're going to have another animal in there, then we'll let it grow. Just wanted to tidy it up while it's not being used. And here's our hot wire fence here. We've mounted halfway down these posts just to help with our pony. How would you put it? Pony proofing. Yeah, pony proofing. So I'm happy that goes right down to that gate down there. Got a strainer in there. We're really happy. Cleaned out the horse's water trough as well. That looks brand new again. So we brought these, and we brought a packet of isolators. I had a couple spare, but we brought a packet of 5 because we do want to do more. I should say we want to do right around the inside of this front paddock. We've got plenty of wire. We've got a few more of these strainers, but again, we want to get some more of them as well. I'm quite proud of that wee job. I'm not a fencer at all. But I've just watched videos and give it a go myself to try and keep costs down. I'm happy with that. So all in all, a good day. Got quite a bit done. I'm sorry I didn't get the fencing or the mowing on camera. I would have liked to have shown the slasher mower in action. There'll be plenty more chances of doing that. I just forgot to turn the camera on basically. Just got stuck into those jobs and just forgot to hit record. So sorry about that, guys. But you can see the finished product.